Hello, Intro to Ag students. Introduction to Agriculture is about trying to expose you to all the different facets and pathways within agriculture. The one we've covered so far was agronomy when we started to, or plant systems when we started to have you sort all of the different types of plant seeds that we harvest in the state of Nebraska. Now we're moving into FFA and leadership, more of like the soft skill side that each one of these pathways in agriculture need. Today, since you're watching this, you didn't head off to Husker Harvest Days. Students at Husker Harvest Days are doing the same thing that you're doing, but they instead are going to a booth and talking to people and getting an opportunity to see firsthand what these companies do. What you're doing here at the school is getting an opportunity to go through the internet and search through to find this information. So what I need you to do is to go to the website and open up the document called Husker Harvest Days Alternative Assignment. As it loads, or as you paused me and opened it up, you'll read that it says directions. Open huskerharvestdays.com. As you open that particular website, there's a tab that says Visitor Resources. On the Visitor Resources tab, it has a link to what is called Exhibitor Directory. Once in the Exhibitor Directory, click on Exhibitors by Alpha. I have a hyperlink on the web page also, I think works. But it will take you to a number through Z list. What I would do is click on the word all. And as you click on the word all, you can see all of the different businesses that are at this Husker Harvest Days. And so there are thousands of them. What I want you to do is create a Google Slides presentation. So that's like the PowerPoint thing. So you'll control new a Google Slides presentation off of your Google Drive. Once you have done that, you are to name it your name. So if you put your name, you're being kind of a smart aleck. What we want instead of your name written there is your actual name, kind of identification there. And so you can be a 14-year-old boy, funny, haha, but we don't want the actual words, your name. We want instead Bob, George, Pam, Sam, Alina, whatever name that you have, you'd put there, and then you would put Husker Harvest Days Alternative Assignment. Once that, then share with me with giving me the abilities to comment on it. And then create slide. You're going to create then 6 slides. On the title slide, you will put your name and then underneath it, Husker Harvest Days Alternative Assessment. So this is the title slide. This is slide 1. Remember, you have this on a video, so you can pause me at any time that you want. After developing the title slide, your next 5 slides are going to be 5 of the 7 different agricultural careers. You can choose anywhere from agribusiness systems down to power and structure. If you need help on those, there's a help item linked that can give you more information about what each one of those sectors means, because the only one we've really covered so far is plant systems. I'm going to select agribusiness systems. If I select agribusiness systems, and by all means you are welcome to do this same one, agribusiness systems, and so you select the agribusiness systems, and it's one of the 5 that I need. So I'm going to make a slide that has agribusiness on it. So I chose this pathway. I'm on my second slide, then I'm going to write agribusiness systems. On agribusiness systems, we have a few items that we need to do. First thing it says is put the company name. So I am looking for a company that's within agribusiness. Basically any of these would work as an agribusiness systems. If I scroll down to the letter F, there's one called Farm Credit Services. Farm Credit Services is a company here in Norfolk that employs about 30 different people, from secretaries to agents, that help with financing our agricultural projects and with insurance and other questions that farmers may have. So I will write in my company name, I would write Farm Credit Services. I then would need to find a description. Farm Credit Services, on the exhibitor by Alpha is under F, and it has, when you click on it, a website. On the website, I would copy and paste what this business does. It says on the Farm Credit Services of America, it says who we are and what we do. I copy and paste that and put it here. I then go down to here and I find an address of Farm Credit Services. This particular one is in Omaha. There is agency boxes in Norfolk, but the easiest one to find says an address in Omaha. I then find the logo and I copy and paste it here. You need 5 of the 7 different ones. You are welcome to use Farm Credit Services underneath the agribusiness. Find a description of them, find the address, and place the logo here, and you can have one done for you. This material then would be repeated 4 more times. When you have 5 of the 7 or 6 total slides done, that's all you need to do. Reviewing this is the Husker Harvest Days alternative assignment, where you are going, instead of 2 Husker Harvest Days, you're going to the Husker Harvest Days website to find 5 of the 7 different career pathways. There is a assignment sheet on the website that has you make this happen. If you have any questions, please ask. I'll expect it to be due then by basically Friday at the end of the day, in case you have some questions that you need to ask me the next day. Good luck and happy Thursday.